So one of the things that we do is we have developed a model that is significantly simpler. It's not meant to be comprehensive, but it's meant to be something you can carry around with you and utilize either to think about what you need to do or to evaluate how others are leading. On the page in front of you, if you look at the back side, there's the leadership model and a couple of other things that we're going to go through. That model consists of three things: vision, competence, and service. Vision is in two parts. Vision is A, being able to formulate a relevant and compelling vision for the effort, and B, it is to be able to communicate that vision. It turns out that it's really hard for people to follow if they don't know where they're going or if they don't know where you're going. So vision is a very important thing. Secondly is competence. Competence is also in two parts. There are technical competencies and there are organizational or leadership competencies. Technical competencies are those technical competencies required to be able to lead a group in the effort for which they are signed up. Oppenheimer led the Manhattan Project, or the technical team for the Manhattan Project. Oppenheimer was a physicist. He could have been the best football coach on the planet, and he could not have led a team of physicists to develop the first atomic weapon. It's not going to work. There are technical competencies that are needed in most cases to lead a particular effort. Now, you don't have to be the most technical person in the group, but you have to understand what you're doing and what that team is talking about. Organizational leadership competencies are the set of competencies talked about in these books and that we normally associate with leadership. They tend to be more universal, and it's a lot of what leadership programs are meant to help people with. The third thing is service, and this is why it's so easy to come and talk to Rotary, because I talk about leadership and I talk about service, and everybody in the room goes, of course, and enough said. However, let's talk for just a minute about what that means. When a person is leading, they are leading in service to something, and recognizing that they are leading in service to something, and being clear on what they are in service to is really critical. If they are in service to themselves, that usually doesn't work out well. They need to be in service to something bigger than themselves, and probably even bigger than the group that they're leading. So it's important for people to understand what that is and to be clear about that.